If you're thinking about using Feedonomics for your dropshipping business, there are 12 key things you need to know before making a decision. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of whether this platform is right for you, especially compared to other solutions out there. First thing to know is that Feedonomics is an excellent platform for managing product data feeds. It's primarily designed for scaling e-commerce businesses, making it a strong competitor to other feed management tools like Data FeedWatch and GoDataFeed. However, it's worth noting that Feedonomics is especially good at handling large product catalogs. So, if you're dealing with thousands of products, this might be the perfect choice. Next thing, the user interface. Compared to other platforms, Feedonomics has a more streamlined and intuitive interface, but it does come with a learning curve. If you're new to dropshipping, you might find the setup process a bit overwhelming. That being said, once you're over the initial hump, navigating the platform becomes easier, and you can start automating your feed management. The third thing is the pricing structure. Feedonomics does not offer a simple, transparent pricing model. Instead, it provides custom pricing based on your business size and needs. This might be a turnoff if you're just starting out and are on a tight budget. Some competitors offer fixed pricing plans, which can be more predictable and easier to budget for. The fourth thing is Feedonomics integration capabilities. It integrates with a wide variety of platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce, which is a major plus for dropshipping businesses. This flexibility makes it easier to sync your product data feeds with major marketplaces and advertising channels. If you need seamless integration, Feedonomics performs well. Now, let's talk about automation. The fifth thing is that Feedonomics shines with its automation features. The platform allows you to automate your data feed updates, which is crucial when you're working with large inventories. Automation saves you time and reduces the risk of human error. This is where Feedonomics stands out compared to competitors like Data FeedWatch, which offer automation but may not be as robust. Sixth, Feedonomics provides excellent customer support. While their customer service team is generally helpful, some users have reported slower response times during peak hours. Compared to its competitors, Feedonomics offers more personalized support, but it might not always be as quick as some other platforms in the market. Next, let's discuss reporting. The seventh thing you should know is that Feedonomics has in-depth reporting features. This gives you valuable insights into how your product data is performing on various channels. The reporting isn't as user-friendly as some other platforms, though, so if you need simple, digestible reports, this might require a bit more effort to interpret. Eighth, Feedonomics offers customization options. You can modify and optimize your product feeds with advanced rules and filters, allowing you to tailor your feeds for specific platforms. While this flexibility is great for larger businesses, smaller dropshipping businesses may find this feature a bit excessive. Ninth, Feedonomics excels when it comes to managing complex feed structures. If you need to work with multiple channels, dynamic pricing, and numerous product variations, Feedonomics offers more power and flexibility than simpler tools like GoDataFeed. The 10th thing is Feedonomics' ability to scale. This is a platform designed for businesses that are growing fast. If you're planning to expand your dropshipping business into multiple markets, Feedonomics makes it easy to handle large volumes of data and adapt as your business grows. Now, the 11th thing. Although Feedonomics is powerful, its setup costs can be higher compared to competitors like Data FeedWatch, which has a lower entry price. You'll need to weigh the value of Feedonomics features against the upfront investment required. And finally, the 12th thing to consider is the time investment. Feedonomics requires a dedicated team to fully leverage its features. Unlike other platforms that are plug and play, Feedonomics may take longer to master and fully implement. If you're just starting out, it might be more time-consuming than you'd like. So, while Feedonomics is a solid solution for large businesses looking to scale, if you're searching for a simpler and more cost-effective solution for your dropshipping business, check out our recommended option that you can try for free. It's a better fit for smaller operations and offers a more straightforward approach.